Now this is how we can change the chart color in a TradingView on iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we naturally need to get inside the TradingView app. You have to be signed in, and right now I am inside of this chart section at the bottom, and you can see a couple of different things. I have plenty of indicators set up at the same time, and I can change the settings for all of them. So as you can see, I have them indicated separately as such. So for example, let's say I'm going to change the look and the colors of this indicator. So what I have to do is to tap on the title of this. So this text above it is actually clickable. So if I tap on it like this, you can see all of the data which shows up about it. I can click on hide, right? I can click on delete, but in the middle, I also have the settings button. And if I tap the settings, I can get in touch with the inputs, style, and visibility. And style and visibility are for the visual way the chart gets represented. And you can see right away that we have the color changes, right? So as you can see, we can pick between the color 1 and 2. So it kind of depends on the specific chart. They all might have different settings, lines, or charts available. But yeah, you can obviously tap on it and change the color to something else. So that's how it would kind of work. Of course, if you do any too much changes to it, you still have the ability to tap the 3 dots and reset the settings right there to kind of make it come back to the default stage. But indicators are as good as the settings, so it's kind of important that you know what you're doing to set it up the proper way. But yeah, I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.